Hey, let's go over a medium question that I solved over half a year ago. This one is a linked list question in the medium category that has a very high acceptance rate, so it doesn't look too tough. So it's called merge nodes in between zeros. Let's try to solve it again. So you're given the head of a linked list. Again, this is not an array, it's a linked list, a list node object. And you have all integers. Some of them are zeros and some of them are not. And the goal here is so the beginning and the end of the linked list will have a node value of 0. And for every 2 consecutive zeros, merge all the nodes lying in between them into a single node whose value is the sum of all the merged nodes. So what this means is everything between a 0, you just sum them up, and then you want to return a linked list. So here 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 11. So you just return 4, 11. Here looks like 1, 3, and then 2 and 2 is 4. So pretty easy. Let's create an array first to get all the nodes in the linked list. So I'll head tmp.append head.value. Move it forward to actually iterate over the linked list. Let's print tmp. And now we can say 0 index. Let's create a list to keep track of where all the zeros are, right? So for I in range length tmp, if tmpi is equal to 0, then 0 index.append I. Let's print 0 index. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to iterate in pairs over this 0 index array, it seems like. So 0 and 2, and then 2 and 4, and then 4 and 7. So sorry, every adjacent pair needs to be considered. So we can say for I in range 1, because maybe we go here and then we go here, or we can just go 1 length of 0 index minus 1, and then let's say current is equal to the sum of everything in tmp up to I plus so. Okay, so let's make this easier. Maybe print 0 index I, 0 index I minus 1. Okay, so 2 zeros will be 0, 2. Swap these around. 0, 2, 2, 4, not inclusive, 4, 7. Okay. So let's say we want the sum of everything between that, which is going to be for j in range 0 index I minus 1 plus 1 up to 0 index I. Let's say current plus equals to tmp of j. Let's print current. Okay, so now we have 4 and 11. Cool. Now we can just say it's final. It's not good variable naming conventions, but this is Python. Let's print final. We're just getting the sum of everything in between, not including. So 4, 11, 1, 3, 4. Awesome. Now we can turn this back into a linked list. So dummy equals list node, cur equals dummy. For f and final, right, iterating from left to right over this list, taking the integer and turning it into a list node object, and moving the new linked list ahead, and then returning the reference to the original head of the linked list. Okay, and output limit exceeded. Okay, get rid of this, get rid of this. And there you go, passes all test cases. Not the most efficient thing, but I think this is pretty straightforward. as it's my way of doing it. So again, just manipulate it as an array and then turn it back into a linked list, as always. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content.